down the second row alongside the captain Bemrose in the back row. Hannah is paired with school teacher Blackburn and experienced Malloy at 8. The clinical Doherty partners the experienced Kramer at halves. Dynamic centre pairing of Lefau, Fakoselea and Nowerata link outside with speedster Flynn and Bridgestock running for her 30th appearance today alongside her sister Marawa and Rombana Kandavu. Nakesa pairs up with Yi and the second row. The back three sees Downey Moala and Railumu flanking Waisinga at number 8. In the halves, Captain Lomani with high-flying Goro in the midfield. Naihamu with Navosa with a lethal back three of Raitumbu. Here come the Queensland Reds. Wonderful work. And Lomani leads out the Fijian Drua women. A civil engineer by profession sets us going in this one. It's the Fijian Drua playing from the right. And first carry for the Reds. And that was Zoe Hannah. 6-7 away from the line. Railumu got it away. Power play! And the Fijian Drua women get the first try of this one. Absolutely brilliant.
What a try. And all that was just build-up phase, build-up phase. Railumu getting the awards there, but it all started from their back, from that line break.
Good work, clinical play by the Reds. Those short passes are working as Nems picked it up, and now they try and find Bridgestock. Oh, she gets away, and the Reds hit back. Charlie Bridgestock gets their first try in semi-finals footy.
Oh, what a try again. Build up pressure. It's that short passing game that they've been doing. Very impressive in the first half. Bridgestock with pace. Just seems like when she got that ball, she was going to be hard to...
Still there. Lomani digs in and gets it out. Kaleta Yi. Lomani once again. Oh, sister act. Manawa to Naisewa. What a try. And what a moment for Karolaini Naisewa. 30th appearance for the Fijian Drua women, and she gets her try.
The veteran goes over.
Looking hungry, here's Downey Moala. Right in front of the uprights. Away it goes. They're lining up over the top, and oh, what a finish. Atelaite Mbuna gets the third try for the Fijian Drua women.
What a try. Again, another team effort.
The halftime mark, and that kick will take us to the halftime break. Well, wonderful work by the Fijian Drua women. Money Lady in that line out, and now the push off Lomani. Oh, they play the short side. Kolora Lomani. Brilliant. What a start to the second half. Set piece work, and the captain strikes.
I said it, the fifth time. Lucky. Lomani skippering today.
Taking it up well, Naisewa. Here comes Lomani, the captain. Steps away. Kolora Lomani. Back-to-back tries. Make that 2 for Lomani in the second half. And the Fijian Drua women stretch away from the Queensland Reds.
What a try. It was all Reds in their halves, and from that clearing kick. Goro about to take it over to extend the lead.
Goro boots that over. Seni Karivi, Elitiana Vueti, and the finish is here in the semi-final of the Super Rugby Pacific Women's competition. And the Fijian Drua women say, Bula Banaka, we're in the final.